What's going on everyone, Nathan here from myimtips.com, and in today's video we're going to have a look at why affiliate marketing is the best business model to start with online. Especially if you're a beginner, but even if you are an experienced marketer as well. And I'm also going to share some tips and insights regarding affiliate marketing. So to find out all the details, all you have to do is stay with me. But first, if you're new around, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video about affiliate marketing, internet marketing related tips, and a lot more. Alright, so this is actually a common question. Many people want to get started to make money online and they wonder if affiliate marketing is the best business model to get started with or not. So I thought I wanted to share it with you here today, both the pros and the cons there, and I'm also going to share some tips and insights as I mentioned earlier here. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive into today's video to have a look at why affiliate marketing is the best business model. Alright guys, before we get started, you probably already know it, but it doesn't hurt to actually do a small little recap. What is affiliate marketing? It is when you actually promote other people's products or company, of course, because it can be a branded company that has products there. So you earn a commission for promoting their products. Alright, first and most important is that it is very easy to start with and you can get started totally free. I usually say that it is as simple as grabbing an affiliate link there from an offer you want to promote and find a way to promote that link. When someone clicks through that link, buy the product, you earn a commission. It is as simple as that actually with affiliate marketing. Now you can get started alone, so you don't have to actually go and rent an office, no employees there. So the startup cost is very small and we're going to have a look at it here real soon on what you actually need also. It is a passive income model. Now, I've seen it many times because people are confused a little bit on what is actually a passive income model. Someone claims that passive income model and they start to show on how to edit videos and stuff like that. That is not a passive income. But a passive income is when you actually earn money while you don't do more or less anything at all. And I have wrote here actually it is a semi-autopilot, and what I mean by that is that you have to put in the initial work there, setting up your campaign, your landing page, but when you're done that you don't have to do anything at all. So therefore it goes in the category of a passive income model also. It can be very lucrative. We have seen it many times. Affiliate marketers who are really making millions online. So definitely a lucrative business model as well. Alright, the next thing is that you can leverage other people's hard work. Now what do I mean by that? I mean really simple that first off you don't have to create any sales letter or video sales letter. It can be actually pretty expensive to get a good copywriter to write the sales copy there, the images, so definitely a lot of costs involved there when you start with your own product. You don't have to ship any products at all, so no customer service as well. These are definitely few benefits with affiliate marketing. No branding. You don't have to actually spend millions. I mean, there are companies who are spending millions in branding. So what is easier? Get started to brand a name or actually sell something that is already branded? It's definitely the second one, okay? You can do this from anywhere in the world as long as you have an internet connection. I mean, you might be on vacation, you can tweak your campaign there, you might find an offer while you have a look at your laptop there. So definitely a very good way if you are a digital nomad, for example, you want to travel the world also. So absolutely, yes, a great way. You can do this from anywhere in the world, and this is worldwide. Now some companies might say that it is not available in your country, etc. But you can definitely find another product that is available in your country to promote as an affiliate marketer. Small startup costs, we talked about this earlier, and basically what you need is an autoresponder in my opinion, You heard it, the money is in the list. I talked about this thousands of times. This is a must, priority number one in your business, especially if you're an affiliate marketer, okay? Make sure you find a way to get traffic to your landing page there. So you need a landing page builder. And talking about autoresponder, there is a 30-day free trial if you go to Aweber, which is my number one recommendation, and a 14-day free trial for landing page builder like ClickFunnels. I can leave that link right here below actually. You can do so much more with ClickFunnels. You can build complete funnels, but the good thing is that there is tons of ready-made templates, so you can be up and running in no time with it. You should have some kind of a tracking, otherwise you don't know what converts and not. I mean, you have to tweak, we talked about this also, you have to tweak your landing page, for example. You need to do A/B split testing, so you need to have some kind of a tracking. The good thing with affiliate marketing is that you can learn while you grow, okay? So you can learn from your mistakes here. This is another biggie. I mean, you don't have to start out with your own product there, spend thousands of dollars and quickly realize that it didn't go so well there. You can also scale very quickly with affiliate marketing. When you found a campaign, let's say for example, you purchase a solo ad and you realize that you have a winning campaign there that converts, you can scale very quickly from 100 to 200 visitors. You can go up to 1,000, 2,000 visitors and more. Now, of course, there are some cons with affiliate marketing, and fair enough, I wanted to share it with you here also. First off, you are not in control of the process. I mean, you are not in control of your competition, you're not in control of your customers, you don't know who the buyer is, okay? You just promote that link and you probably don't have any idea of who they are actually. How do they look, okay, more or less, except for the demographics there. But there is actually an exception. You can see here I wrote unless you offer bonus. And what you can do is you can actually promote by mentioning that you have a bonus. You have a bonus product that you want to offer, and they can get that bonus by simply sending an email or something to you, and you can add them in your autoresponder. Have a separate list as a bonus list buyers, because then you know that these people have purchased and they will probably purchase something else from you in the future when you have something else to promote there. So that is a good tip actually, create a bonus list. Finally, the cons could be that it can take you some time, so you need to be patient, especially if you are involved in blog marketing, affiliate marketing, you're writing posts there, it can actually take up some time there. Alright, so the conclusion. Is it worth it? Is it the best business model to start to make money online as a beginner or experienced marketer? The answer is yes. You could see it earlier here. It is the easiest and cheapest way to get started to make money online. Now, if you're interested to find out more about this, how to actually make a full-time passive income online with affiliate marketing, how to build a long-term sustainable online business, I highly recommend you to have a closer look at my number one recommendation right here below. If you got some value here, make sure to smash that like button below. Make sure you subscribe to both my YouTube channels that you're going to see at the end screen here. Hit the notification bell and make sure you check out my other video recommendation at the end screen also. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.